Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So friends, this is Pratik Srivastava here, and in our today's video, I'm going to talk about the pros and cons of Cognizant. That means advantage of joining Cognizant as a fresher and disadvantage of joining Cognizant as a fresher. So in what situation you should say yes to Cognizant and when you should say no to Cognizant. So watch the video till the end because you will be able to know a lot of things from this video. Okay, so previously I have done the similar things for the TCS, Wipro, Capgemini, Accenture, and this is the fifth video which is on Cognizant. So friends, as you are aware, Cognizant is also a mass recruiter company like TCS, Wipro, Capgemini, and Accenture. Okay, but in what way Cognizant is better? In what way Cognizant is good than all other companies? We will see. So the first point here I have mentioned is you do not have to mandatorily work for 9 to 10 hours a day. You will not be asked anything if you complete your work on time. This is not a criteria for performance evaluation. So friends, the timing is flexible. If you complete your work, then nobody will ask you that you complete 9 and 10 hours, okay, 9 or 10 hours, and this will not be counted for your performance evaluation. That means during your appraisal, manager will not bring this point in front of you. See, in other companies, if we'll talk about other mass recruiter companies, then they count on hours. So if somebody is there in office till 9 p.m. till 8 p.m., then he will be, that employee will be assumed as a hardworking employee, and during appraisal and performance evaluation all those things will be calculated. But Cognizant definitely do not go in that direction, because you also know there were many articles stating that people are using office internet after the working hours for their personal reasons. Okay, so all those things Cognizant do not believe. Second point is training is very standard. They train us well. Since there is a benchmark to achieve during training, we tend to work hard and learn more. Friends, this inputs I have taken from the Cognizant employee itself. So this is not my input. I have taken from the Cognizant employee, but yes, the same input I am explaining and telling you so that a fresher who is gonna join, they will be aware about all those things. So training is very standard. They train as well. Since there is a benchmark to achieve during trainings, we tend to work hard and learn more. And if definitely the trainers are from outside, so they have good set of trainers, well experienced and mostly available whenever we need. So they are a outsourced trainer, third party training companies who takes care of that. And definitely when you bring someone to train you, definitely they will hire the best trainer. See, ghar ki murgi dal barabar. If somebody is using their own trainers, I mean own company trainers, so there might be some quality impact. But when you are giving this all training department to someone else from outside, then definitely the quality you will have is good. Okay, then so one more thing friends, related to training part I wanted to tell you. So tech stack and Udemy access will be given for the employee to learn and grow. So during your training you will be having the platform tech stack, and after your training, once you complete your training or even during training also, they give the Udemy courses. So this will be given so that you can learn new technology and even you can utilize for yourself as well. So if you learn multiple technology, if you have basic knowledge of many technologies, then when you are switching Cognizant, then it will be better for you. Friends, always remember any mass recruiter company, okay, so any service based company, you should not spend more than 2 years. So this is one of the fact. But anyway, so once you join, then only you will be able to realize. So any service based company, you should not spend more than 2 years. Those who spend more than 2 years, 4 years, 5 years, they spend in a service based company in their first company, then the package will see, if you are in the same company, you will be having a hike of 5% to 10%, or some companies offer 12% because your salary will be already less. Okay, so 3 lakhs 10% will be 30,000, you can assume, right? So your salary will be, even if you say 10 to 20%, then also it will be less. So your salary will increase only when you take a jump. So as I had said in my previous video that I was a part of Tata Elxsi. Okay, I was part of Tata Elxsi, and after 2 years and 2 months I jumped to a product based company and I had got 100% hike. Okay, so if you're getting 15 20 15 20, that means in 6 years you will be getting 90% hike. Okay, so that you need to understand it. So any product based, keep that in your mind that when you are going to join, I have to stay for 2 years. Utilize this Udemy access and all this access and learn properly and grow with their things. Okay, learn and grow and then switch the company. Then you get recognition and appraisal based on your performance and your behavior towards everyone. So if you are, see, you have to be mingle with the seniors, the juniors. I mean, anyway, you are juniors now. So but once after 1 year or something like that, 6 months, so you have to have a very professional behavior with your senior, manager, lead, and your juniors. And definitely in appraisal, all those things will be counted. Your how did you behave with the employees and all. Okay, outreach activities, you can feel some different happy life if you're interested in social activities. So if you are a person who wanted to take part in social activities, if you are already in social activities, then friends, you will enjoy and you will feel a very happy life. And then standard salary, compared to other service-based company, other mass recruiter companies. So Cognizant pay you more if you count on other companies like Infosys, TCS, okay, Wipro, and other companies. Then Cognizant salary will be good. Okay. Then friends, definitely as I said, so this will be a best training. So 12 weeks of the training will be there. If you guys are interested, okay, then do comment below. I will be sharing you the complete training module, like in each module what they're going to teach you, so you'll have a more clarity for a few or some domains I will share. So some domains I will share, so you'll have a complete knowledge that what exactly they are going to train you in Cognizant. But you will be trained on a specific domain. Okay, and they also decide and keep the domain, and you will be working in that domain if you were lucky. Okay, anyway, so again, still the advantage of joining Cognizant. So no dress code, friends. Anyway, so now it's online, now it's virtual. Okay, but if Omnicon subsides, then you will have to go to the office. So in TCS, there is a strict rule for the dress. So Monday to Thursday, you will have to wear formals. Okay, so Monday to Thursday, you will have to wear formals, and Friday you can use casuals. Okay, but in Cognizant, we do not have any kind of policy like that. Okay, and friendly environment and friendly management. Okay, so and job stability is also similar to TCS, you can say. And regarding the job pressure, I have told you it depends upon the project. Okay, so if in some project you will have more pressure, in some project you will have less pressure. Okay, now friends, Cognizant for freshers, and what is the reason, okay, you should not select Cognizant. Okay, friends, see, if you have multiple offers, so if you have TCS, if you have Wipro, if you have Capgemini, okay, so I will suggest in that case you go for Cognizant. Okay, so I named you some company, so I will tell you, I will keep this all in one category. So I just a minute. So TCS, Wipro, Capgemini will be in one category. So Cognizant is better than this. Okay, so Cognizant is better than this. And Accenture, if you have Cognizant and Accenture, then you should definitely go for Accenture. Okay, so you should not have any kind of confusion here. Agreed? Fine. Now, so I'll write it here. So if you have Wipro, if you have TCS, okay, Wipro, TCS, and if you have Capgemini, then better go for Cognizant. Cognizant will be given more preference. And if you have Accenture in hand, then Accenture will be given more preference. And if you have a product-based company, then product-based company will be given more preference. Okay. Now, so they have both development and maintenance. Okay, for developed project. So friends, what will happen? So right, if you'll take 4G, so 4G is already developed. Okay, 4G already people are using, and now even many companies are planning for 5G. But 4G project is developed, but maintenance is required, right? See, time to time issues will be coming. So definitely in 4G, you will be every time the issues will be coming. So somebody has to, and even new features also has to be developed for 4G. Even 4G is quite stable, but still some kind of extra features they need to add, and maintenance is required. So they will have both development and maintenance for the developed project. In some department the pressure is high, but in some it is very very less. Okay, so you have to count on that. You will be trained, but again, so your work life balance will be good. So not like the companies where you have to work for 10 to 15 hours. No, work life balance will be better here. You will be trained on it. See, more pressure means, see, even in 9 hours working hours or 8 to 9 hours working hours, you can have more pressure, and even 8 to 9 working hours you can have a less pressures. Okay, so it's not like high pressure means you have to work for 20 hours something. No, you will be trained on a specific technology, but getting the project in the same technology is tough. So suppose they are they are giving you training on machine learning, but it's not like that you will be getting a job in machine learning itself. No, so that might not happen. If you're very lucky, then only it will happen, otherwise it might not happen. Okay, may get a testing job even if you want development and you score good during the training. So during the training you'll have your academics and you'll have test, but there is no guarantee that you will be, I mean, even if you score very very good, you will be getting the development. No, so it depends upon the business requirement. Okay, and it depends upon how good terms you have with the your managers and all. So there are many factors are there, but again, we will consider 90% of the cases where you do not have a choice to select the domain which you want to work. HRs are just for namesake. You won't have much contact with them. In fact, it's very tough to get in contact with one. Okay, see friends, your manager and your HRs, they will be like kind of uh, together. I mean, so if you say anything about manager to HR, they will come to know. So all those things will be there in all the corporate companies. So here, getting a contact with the HRs is very very tough. Okay, and then you cannot decide which domain you want to work with or trained on. It based on their business requirement they train you. Okay, so as I mentioned you, so you might not get, if you're lucky, then only you will be getting the domain on which you are trained, but it's happens very very less. Okay, so friends, uh, keep all these things in mind. So these are, this is a drawback with all the um, companies, mass recruiter companies, service based companies. Okay, so keep this aside, and all other points are very good about Cognizant. So but Accenture pay is high, so definitely you should go for Accenture, and Accenture is a more reputed company than Cognizant. So friends, as you know, we have already done the videos for TCS, we have already done the videos for Capgemini, we have already done the videos of Wipro, we have already done the video for Accenture. Okay, and this is the 5th video on Cognizant. So I hope these videos are helping you a lot. And friends, if you think it is helping you some and the other way, then consider subscribing our YouTube channel, because we are working very hard for you guys, and we also want to grow. See, frankly speaking, we also want to grow. And if the people are more, if the students are more, definitely we will bring more and more teachers, and we will also enjoy working with you guys. So please do consider subscribe and even share with your friends. So we are doing a lot of activities. Okay, be a part of that. And yes, so we will be bringing on more companies. So now, which company you want me to make a video, please put in the comment box. I'll make a video for you. Thank you.